While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Awakening the spirit. Let's begin. Rising sun pose. Stand tall, lift your arms toward the sky, and open your chest to the light. Inhale energy, exhale calm. Heart-opening flow. Lift your chest and open your arms wide, feeling warmth spread through your body. Breathe deeply and allow your heart to expand. Side stretch of renewal. Reach one arm overhead and lean gently to the side, creating space along your ribs and waist. Inhale deeply and feel new energy flow through you. Gentle back bend. Stand tall. Place your hands on your lower back and gently arch your spine. Lift your chest and open your heart as you breathe deeply. Twist of spirit. Sit tall and gently twist your torso to one side, placing one hand behind you and the other underneath. Keep your spine long and breathe with calm awareness. Flowing cat pose. Move through gentle waves of cat pose, rounding and lengthening your spine with each breath. Let your movement follow your breathing rhythm. Elongated puppy stretch. From a tabletop position, walk your hands forward and lower your chest toward the mat. Keep your hips above your knees and let your heart melt down. Bridge of Awakening. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Press into your feet to lift your hips, opening your chest and awakening your energy. Open triangle. Step your feet wide apart and extend your arms. Reach your front hand forward and lower it toward your shin or the floor, opening your chest to the side. Breathe deeply and feel the spaciousness through your body. Peaceful Warrior. From Warrior Eye, turn your front palm upward and lift your arm toward the sky. Let your back hand rest gently on your leg. Breathe into your side body and feel the graceful stretch. Stand tall and place one foot on your inner thigh or calf. Bring your palms together at your chest or lift them overhead. Focus your gaze on a single point to maintain balance and breathe steadily. Forward surrender. From standing, hinge at your hips and fold forward, letting your head and arms hang free. Allow gravity to release tension from your spine and shoulders as you breathe deeply. Gentle Cobra Lift. Lie on your stomach, place your hands under your shoulders, and gently lift your chest using the strength of your back. Keep your neck relaxed and shoulders away from your ears. Lotus Stillness. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed and hands resting on your knees. Close your eyes, relax your body, and focus on your steady breath. Spirit rest. Lie back comfortably, letting your body fully relax. Allow your breath to slow down and your mind to settle into calm stillness.